today is the first day, so we will keep it light. We are not going to bombard you with lots and lots of concepts. From tomorrow, we're gonna start actually. So from the SQL session, okay, I'll give a little bit of introduction about ourselves, okay, who we are as downtown coders, as Deep, as Amol, who we are as person, or how we have shaped ourselves in our career, how we started and where we are at the moment, so that you guys also develop some kind of confidence that yes, we are under the right guidance. You guys have trusted us. That's a lot. Okay, you guys have paid money. So for me, every single penny is very important. Why? Because not many people are there who actually thinks about students. But me and Amol are not that kind of person. Okay, for us it's that if you're investing money, you need to reach to that destination that you're looking for. Okay, and we are not going to leave your hands until and unless तुम ही भाग जाओ कि अरे मेरे से हो ही नहीं रहा है. So we will still push you. We will call you. We will force you. All those kind of things will be happening. Okay, we will scold you. We will care for you. But we will make this happen. Okay, so वो जिद होना बहुत important है in order to grow. And I hope you guys are focused well enough to take good decisions for yourself and also proceed. Yes, Amit, you raised your hand. You have a question.
Dib, will you please focus on data warehousing, like cloud-based data warehousing? I think we mentioned that Snowflake is there. Then
Yeah.
why Snowflake and why not Azure Synapse Analytics?
Yeah, we will be talking. See, we are just giving you an exposure of that area, that how cloud databases are integrated with Power BI services. We are not training you on as a Snowflake developer, what your objectives will be. So we are just giving you an overview that as a Power BI developer, you have also handled cloud databases, how to integrate. All the analysis will be done in Power BI itself. But how that integration is done, we are going to give that only that small little bit of exposure. Okay. So why not other technologies? Why only Snowflake? That does not come into picture because we are not getting into that only. Okay. Because what we are anticipating that in the April Wala market that we are targeting, people might be looking for someone who have also handled cloud databases. Okay. That's the reason we are showing this part. Not as a development side, but as an implementation side कि कैसे कैसे होता है. Yes, sir.
And will you please focus on how this team works? That how many members on Power BI developer or data analyst team?
वो बता देंगे. During the project will start. At that time, we will tell you how many Power BI developers will be there, how many BI are involved, how many people in the data team are involved, who's a Scrum Master, who's a project manager. So entire hierarchy, how it works, we are going to tell during the project. Don't worry, all your questions will be answered to your satisfaction till the end. सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Okay, so now let's understand about this downtown coders, who we are. Okay, so my name is Deep. My skill sets, I found that there was a lot of gap in the industry, that there might be thousands and thousands of institutes, but I could not find even one who actually meets all the expectations of the students. So I thought that there is a gap, and I was carrying a good amount of knowledge at that time that I could share. So I started as a project, like करके देखते हैं अगर कोई चीज़ का help होता है. And then slowly I started with just one student, फिर धीरे धीरे उससे impact बढ़ते बढ़ते कब 900 plus students हमने पढ़ा लिया हमें पता भी नहीं चला. So it all happened like means I still think like it's like yesterday. So it's been a great journey so far, and impacting so many lives gives me a lot of boost, lot of kick, and over the period of time I connected with like-minded people. I do not involve any person at Downtown Coders who don't have knowledge. Our main focus is not just making money. Our main focus is to make an impact in the life of the people. So Amol had been my colleague in one of the ex organizations that we work together, and he is God. वो जितना knowledge carry करता है, he is very down to earth, but the way I have learned from him is tremendous. Okay, he might not be very expressive कि क्या क्या चीजें उसने किया है, but the way he handles everything. मैंने उसको actually काम करते हुए देखा है, so you might not be able to see that side of Amol, but I have seen that, and then I talked to him कि आओ मेरे साथ एक बार देखो, we should be able to make an impact, and then he joined us, and I'm very fortunate that it's been many years now that he is with us, and hopefully kuch bhi ho jaye, me and Amol will be there till the end. So this is how we are working. And कुछ भी issue कहीं पर भी हो, if you have any questions, so we are carrying good amount of knowledge and exposure to give you that answer. Okay. It should not be that you would be waiting for answers. You will be getting answers from us. Okay. And so this is what we are. Okay. उतना कुछ exciting कुछ है नहीं. But the another thing, another important thing that I wanted to share is that there is a group wherein you guys have been added. Okay. If you see the group info or the WhatsApp description, you will find few things over here. First thing that you will get is the session link where you can join, which I posted today. Okay, that's the session that's mentioned. Then you will find a YouTube playlist. Okay, so all these are live sessions, and all these sessions are getting recorded if you see. Uh, but before a day starts, please check that whether the session is getting recorded or not, because sometimes Zoom थोड़ा weird act करता है, it stops the recording. Um, पहले ही होता है, मतलब बीच में नहीं होता. If the recording is started, then it will continue till the end. It won't be stopped in between. But do check, okay? Sometimes that if that is a problem, then we won't have the recording of the session. So all the session recordings will be uploaded uh, uh, in the playlist. Everyone would be able to access using the email address that you guys shared during the time of registration. So every day session will be uploaded by the end of the day. और अगर हाँ सुबह ही class है तो by the end of the day all the sessions will be uploaded. So in case if you are not able to join the live session, if you want to just check the recording, you can. Okay. बट प्लीज एंश्योर दैट उस दिन का टास्क उसी दिन ही कंप्लीट कर लो. ओके, डू नॉट कीप थिंग्स पेंडिंग. अगर सुबह ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो शाम को वो सेशन देख के खत्म कर लो. ओके, दैट इज हाउ इट शुड गो. ओके, एंड also you will see there is a third link which is called as a student discussion link. So when I was actually upgrading my knowledge, and when I contacted with multiple institutes, and when I started actually learning things from them, I found that there was a gap that students का कुछ होना चाहिए, wherein the students should come and discuss and talk their hearts out, uh, talk to each other, ask each other questions. A group study kind of activity should happen, wherein we are able to discuss the topics that are done in the class. If we have to do anything over and above the topics that's been discussed, that should be happening. So that's the reason I have given that discussion link. That discussion link is available to you guys 24/7, and that sessions won't be recorded. Okay. So over there, me and Amol won't be there. It's for the students. Okay. So you guys can connect at any given point of time. एक दूसरे से बात कर लेना. If you guys maintain a separate group, I'm absolutely okay. So all the numbers you have of the students, if you want to maintain a separate WhatsApp group, दीप के बारे में कुछ पीठ पीछे डिस्कस करना है कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. But talk to each other, be friends to each other, help each other, and find out that overlap time 10 to 15 minutes every day. If you guys can get a chance to connect in that link, join using video and talk in English. It will help you to improve your communication as well. And कोई भी चीज just discuss करो कोई भी topic के ऊपर, okay, and improve your communication and confidence. Because what we see is that when we go for interviews, when we take interviews, out of 10 people, 7, 8 people are unable to express themselves. उनको शायद पता है answer, but बोल नहीं पा रहा है. Yeah, they are unable to join the dots. If I'm asking a use case of it, theoretical तो बता दिया, but practically नहीं बता पा रहे. That happens because that person never got the opportunity to talk. Okay, so here this opportunity is given to you. So from day one, if you guys can maintain, that's great. But someone will have to take the initiative and do that. Okay, we won't be there. It's you. There are multiple people in the group. Very less people joined in today. I will just check. Try to be a part of the live sessions because these are very interactive. तो बात करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. But if you are unable to join, then also it's okay. Recording sessions are there, and we will train you guys in such a way that all your questions gets answered within the class itself. अगर recording भी follow कर रहे हो, there should not be any issues to understand. But still, if you have any, there is a group, you guys are connected. Drop your messages over there, and either me or Amol will pick it up from there and will respond to you. Okay, so none of your questions will remain unanswered. Okay, and I am just a phone call away. It should not be that register हो गया तो बस बात करना ही बंद हो गया. Register हो गया मतलब बात करना चालू हुआ. So if you need any sorts of help, if you are getting deviated, if you are not able to be on track, कुछ भी issue आए, if you need my help, time management नहीं हो पा रहा है, job के साथ पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रहा है, talk to me. I will give you the advice that how to actually bifurcate your time and find time for yourself. ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता कि खुद के लिए टाइम ना हो या 1-2 घंटा ना हो पढ़ाई के लिए. I will ensure, I'll find that time for you. And if we have to sacrifice something, then we might have to sacrifice our sleep. थोड़ा बहुत उसको sacrifice करना होगा in order to achieve something in life. Okay. ठीक है, understood. So this is how we gonna help you throughout this module. This is me, Deep in Downtown Coders. I will ask Amol to talk about himself. He speaks very less, but ठीक है. Uh, Amol, please introduce yourself and let them know how you wanna help them.